Self-destruction. I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago. Just give me a sec, I'll smoke this cigarette. Aching body feels better still. What do you do when you pick up my guitar and too much on your plate when you need to escape? Everything will be better when I find a way. People leave, do they ever think about you? What I'd say if I ever came back again. Well, I still wonder and I miss you. I know I'll ask you when you see you again, my friend. What do you do when you get the blues? Just pick up my guitar. Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Everything will be better when I find a way. Oh. What do you do when you pick up a guitar? Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Every little thing will be better when I find a way.
I'm going back up to make my last stand. I'm gonna dust it off with my own hands. Black blizzard coming, old man keep running. You better get out while you can. We were broke cold, getting pushed out. Thought I heard it so, to up and leave this town. Head out west, they say, maybe California. Leave this dead land behind. So long, Oklahoma. I think they said farewell to me.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna